Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily change your language in Google Chrome. So what you want to do is to click dots here that you have in the menu. You need to be in a new tab. Now what you want to do is to click settings and then go to advanced, and then you have languages. When you go to the languages, you got here languages, language, English, United States, English, and you can add language if you would like. And you have many languages here you can choose, like German, Serbian, Spanish, so many, Zulu, or Xhosa. I don't even know what is Xhosa, Telugu, so many of them, but this is how you can actually do it. And then what you want to do when you add language, you can just save it up, and that's all. So this is how we do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. And that's kind of it. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya.